Hello everyone, Sam here, and today I'm going to show you how to open your first Asana account. Let's begin. So for those of you who do not know what Asana is, it is basically a task manager, a really good one, an advanced one, created by Dustin Moskovitz, one of the original founders of Facebook. So the first thing we're going to want to do here is click the try for free button, and we're going to need to put our company email inside. So really quickly going to type that in. And click try for free. Signing up. Please verify your email. So I've received an email in my inbox basically asking me to verify that Asana account. And the next thing I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to click the verify email address button. So really quickly copying that link from that button in here and verifying the email. Page is loading, and appasana.com is asking me what is my name and asking me to fill in a password. So clicking continue. What kind of work do you do? Let's write here general project management. Picking general project management and continuing. How are you currently managing your work? Well, currently we're managing with pen, paper, notes, or to-do list. Continue. Let's set up your first project. What should that be? First project is create YouTube video on how to open an Asana account. Continue. And determine the project goal. Create value for viewers. Edit video. Publish the video. And clicking continue. How would you group these tasks into section and stage? It's okay to do. Just let's continue. List, board, timeline, or calendar. So from how it looks like, timeline is kind of a Gantt spreadsheet style of organizing. A list is the classic to-do list. And this board type of organization is kind of like Trello, and if you don't know what Trello is, there's going to be a link in the description. And calendar is basically very similar to your Google Calendar or Apple Calendar. So we're just going to click continue on board. And we're going to have to invite someone. So I'm going to put in an email of one of the company's employees and click take me to my project. Your 30-day trial starts today. You're in. Your trial gives you access to popular paid features like timeline, portfolios, and more. Let's get started. So I can see that all of the things that we wrote before, create value for viewers, edit video, and publish the video, are all in the to-do area. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move create value for viewers to doing, because that's what we're doing right now. And edit video. Let's see, at risk. Yes, it is kind of at risk. Maybe we can change it to from at risk to on track. Okay, edit video is on track. And publish the video. Well, publish the video status. We're going to do a new option. We're going to call it pending. And we're going to have done. So we're going to save the changes. And we're going to do pending. And create value for users, we're going to do done. So as you can see, basically, this is a very intuitive kind of to-do list, project management, organization platform. You can invite more people. If I'm not mistaken, this trial has the opportunity to invite at least 15 people. and the pricing here is really not so bad, even if you're a big organization. I highly recommend, if you have trouble organizing things, to start with Asana and see how it goes for you. There are other alternatives, obviously, and we'll check them out later, such as Monday.com. But for now, this was a kind of quick tutorial of all the small things that you can kind of do in Asana. I'm sure there are more things that I haven't went through. Just wanted to show you how easy it is to open an account really quick, and there's no credit card involved. It was really fast and simple to kind of understand where everything is. You can see you can kind of also use this kind of welcome wizard, add at least a task, clarify task by adding details, assign tasks to share this project. So basically this welcome wizard makes everything as simple as possible. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video on how to open an Asana account. If you like this kind of content, please click the like button below. If you want me to create more videos like these, please let me know in the comment section. And last but not least, if you want to see more videos like these when they come out, click that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time.